Hi Pisces, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another energy check-in for you. These are you and yours readings, Pisces. So this is basically you and the person who's affecting your energy the most at this time. What we need to know and what we can do about it. So a love interest could show through, but so could, your mother-in-law or a friend or a neighbor or something. So let's see who wants to come in for you today. Of course, your love readings, which were heavily focused on only love, new love and whatever, have just been posted. So I'll leave a link at the end of the video. You can check those out as well. So let's begin, Pisces. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So thank you, all my subscribers, for all your love and support. And if you're new here, to join our little Omkara family. We meet here weekly for all zodiac signs. We would be happy to have you join us. So let me explain this. If you're new, 2 sets of cards, one for you, one for your person, and in the center I have your mutual energy. I'll be referring them as side A, side B, and you can decide which side you resonate best with. 2 of Swords in reverse. So a decision is being made here, Pisces, this month. Let's take some mutual cards as well. Okay. So the first card, Pisces, I have here for you is, for person A, is the 7 of Wands. Letting go of defense, being defensive. 9 of Pentacles, King of Wands, the Fool, 5 of Cups in reverse, and the 3 of Wands. Okay, let's see the other side. 3 of Swords in reverse, which is very nice. High Priestess, the Chariot, the Devil, the Emperor, and the Knight of Pentacles. A lot of stagnation still, a lot of waiting and stagnation, Pisces. What's happening? I think one person here is not very happy at maybe being single and unhappy. She's, I think, just very burdened at, being left out or left behind, is now kind of giving up on a lot of things. Just saying, I'm not even going to wait anymore. This is getting too much for me. Yeah, maybe somebody walked away from, the person's A's life, and they have been in isolation for so long and feeling miserable by themselves and burdened and everything. And now they're thinking, enough is enough. I want to get out of the zone now. I've had enough. They feel that person B has kind of not been authentic to them, and maybe he's out there having fun because maybe there's a distance between the two of you right now, and person A thinks that he is maybe single right now and maybe not up to, he's up to no good. So, and maybe, yeah. There's been some communication regarding this already, I think, where, all these conversations have happened, and one person has felt pretty foolish about it. Yes, the person is rather depressed, okay, rather sad, rather depressed, thinking of the worst case scenario. They're sitting here, like in depression. They are still somehow back of their mind, still wishing and hoping to, reconnect with this masculine who's coming up as the King of Swords. He may not be the most, romantic or whatever, but he's there. He's always there as a support, as, the backbone of person A. And person A is not very happy about this distance that is there between the two of you. Even though person A is trying very hard not to concentrate on, the past, or just keep waiting and turn around and maybe have some fun now. And no longer just, sit by the window and wait 24/7. They've done enough of that, yeah. They are now, they feel that maybe somebody is holding back from them, not sharing, caring anymore, and why should I keep waiting? I should also not wait for them anymore. Or maybe there's been some harsh communication regarding that as well. What, I don't know what's happened. Something's happened. Something has happened. What's this Three of Wands spirit? Why is there a Three of Wands in reverse? Somebody returning? Somebody returning spirit? Queen of Wands and... yeah, somebody is wanting to return this conversation, but there is this Queen of Wands who's now, I think, regained her power. And she's saying, I'm heartbroken now and I'm no longer waiting for you anymore. I think that's what the story is. This Queen has waited long enough. And now, even though, somebody's saying, I'll be coming back soon and, whatever, this Queen is now withholding her love and saying, okay, come when you want to. I'm no longer sharing my love with you and I'm going to hold back from you now. So, okay, this is just a very petty argument, it seems. Let's see person B. Person B is wanting to, come back and maybe, return. They feel that they want growth with person A. They don't want her to be sad and upset and maybe, having this heartbreak. They want to come and relieve this empress of their heartbreak and have some growth with her. They want to come and talk to her straight. They don't want to have any secrets with her. They want to come and be authentic, talk to her. And yes, I have the Chariot in reverse as well. Maybe there is like I said, distance between you two, and any kind of travel is a bit blocked at the moment. Okay, so that's what is leading to this separation. But person B is trying to hold strong, bide their time, and not have any worry or regret or sadness. Trying very hard to stay in a positive state of mind. But I don't think they are being able to, because they feel that they're losing control of the situation as each day goes by. Even though they're trying to keep a watch out or look out and maybe stay connected, maybe through social media or WhatsApp or whatever you can use, they're trying to keep a close watch on this person A. They are in hermit mode right now. Okay, there is still a lot of distance here, and they feel that they've lost control. There is sorry Pisces, there was a phone call, got interrupted. But yes, this person B has been in isolation for some time as well because of, whatever distance there is. They're feeling they're losing their control over person A now. They're feeling they're losing their power. Things have really come to a stagnancy. And something has to be done soon now before they totally lose person A altogether. They are also, I think, trying to see things from a higher perspective, maybe see both sides of the story now to see why this feminine has suddenly kind of changed, or, she's kind of not being that loving maybe towards him, because there is a lot of love here in this equation. Person B, I don't think is doing anything wrong. Pisces, if person B is your person, this person is not doing anything wrong. They are, I think there's just it's the circumstances which are keeping you guys apart. Because they do have a lot of love for you, and they're also feeling the pain of not being, in control, in charge, and not being together. They are wanting growth with you. They don't want this heartbreak of being away from you. They want healing with you. They want to bring things back into balance. But right now things, I think, are a bit stagnant. Okay, maybe circumstances are such that things are not moving ahead. It's not because they don't want it. Yeah, they are very committed to you. They are very, very committed to you. They value what you have with them, and you are their wish fulfillment. There's nothing to worry about here. I think person A is getting a little desperate and getting a little irritated and not trusting person B at the moment. So let's see what's in your mutual energy. Page of Pentacles in reverse, stagnancy, strength, and the Ace of Swords. Yes, right now there is a lot of stagnancy in this relationship, Pisces. Things are not moving as fast as both of you would like them to. this is for you and them. Though both of you would like this, right? You would both like to be victorious, come together and be happy once again. But whatever, I don't know what's the problem here, that you guys can't be here at the same time together. So I think you're both in your emotions right now, trying to kind of, deal with the situation, because things are still foggy. Things are still foggy and people are going back and forth. What should I do? What should I do? How should I make this happen? There is a lot of stuck energy, okay? Things are not moving at the pace that maybe either of you would like them to. Now you have the Strength card as well, Pisces. So this would be both of you trying to be strong during this time, I guess. Why is the Strength card here, Spirit, for both of them? Missing each other. You're both looking back, missing each other, trying to stay strong and, till the person returns back to your life, right? So I think this is a mutual energy. So both of you are in regret right now, missing, looking back, missing the other person. Person A is looking forward, heart of hearts, waiting for person B to return. Person B is also looking forward to returning to person A as soon as possible. And during this time, both are trying to stay strong and keep their hopes up. So now finally we have the Ace of Swords, which is clear communication and forward movement. So what is this Ace of Swords, Spirit? Ace of Swords for person A and person B, their mutual energy. The cycle, Pisces, right now I think you're both feeling defeated, right? Because I think there's a problem in travel. I keep saying travel for some reason, and here the World card is. But I think it's going to be over very, very soon. Very soon you're going to hear some clear communication regarding a forward movement. Ace of Wands and Ace of Swords. That is really, really positive forward movement. And once that happens, the Chariot is up and running once again. Okay, so this is just a little stop in the, it's a pause, it's not even a stop, Pisces. It's a pause, okay, so don't lose hope. If you're person A, don't lose hope, don't give up on person A. Person B is also miserable without you, and very soon, just tide this time, you guys are going to be together very, very soon, and in a passionate, lovely way, and decisions are being made. Both of you are going to, fight for each other till the end. You're not going to give up. Okay, so they soon will be coming together and working together once again. Just wait for your ships to come in. They are coming. That's all I can say. Let's take a angel blessing card for you as well, Pisces. Spirit, can we have a beautiful card for Pisces as a blessing or advice? Two flipped out. Yes, it's time to take a little step back, Pisces. Don't be in a rush to move forward. Retreat a bit, Play some music, chill, look after yourself. Your person is on their way. Very soon you guys are going to be together. Okay? So instead of just worrying about let's go, whatever, just take a step back, retreat and chill. Play some music, enjoy yourself, and look after yourself. They'll be back soon, I promise you. Look after your health. Yes, look after your health. Play some music, enjoy your time, and look forward to their return. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. Take care, love and light. See you next week. Namaste.